can't explain how excited I am. Look what just came. Oh yeah, do not mind it is pouring down rain outside. So just dropped my new phone on this. Okay. Bitch, I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown. First off, if you're new here, my name is Ashton, I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. But today, girl, I was like, let's do unboxing videos. I love like watching these type of videos. Okay, so basically my current phone right now is the iPhone 14 Plus. I got this last year at 128 gigabytes and I ran out of storage. Now, I'm not the like type of person to upgrade every year as long as like my phone still works and take pictures. I'm totally fine. But my phone has been running out of storage, so I bought me a new phone. I bought the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the 512 gigabyte because your girl do not want to upgrade no more until this phone just breaks down and just fall off completely. So I got it in the natural titanium. I wanted it in the silver color, but they didn't have the 512 gigabyte inside that color. So here's the bestie. I am so excited to unbox this bestie. I got a case already. I did an unboxing for the case. I got the clear case that like sticky thingy, and then I got a privacy screen protector, and I got this little glitter thing, bestie. So let's unbox this, girl. I hope the lighting is good, bestie. But first off, girl, I just like want to say thank you, y'all, because without y'all, first off, I just like want to say thank you, God, because if you did not know, bestie, 4 years ago, girl, I was sad, I was depressed, and I was not in like a good like mental state. Years later, I got my dream job. I'm way more happy, healthier. Like, your girl bought her phone fully, no payment, no nothing. I bought this phone fully. I had to buy it through my carrier because Apple stopped selling this on their website, but I bought it in full through my carrier, girl. I did get a new number, so I'm actually very excited for that, bestie. But no talking, girl, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Like, I've not had the Pro phone in a while. Like, right now, I'm filming on my old phone, my 13 Pro. That phone is paid off. And I'm excited. This is the natural titanium color. Some folks say it look kind of scary. We're not gonna look at it. Okay, okay, this color is not bad. It's most definitely giving like a grayish silver color. It's giving grayish silver. On some photos it look more silver, and some photos it look gray. I still like this color. I got this color because I wanted the white one, but they didn't have the 512 gigabytes. So I was like, I'm gonna just get this color. I do not like, they had a black one. I don't do black phones. They had a blue one. I don't do blue phones. So first impression, this color is actually very cute. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. We're gonna put my screen protector on last, but let's get into the box. So yeah, so I didn't get the 16 Pro Max because like the only thing was new was action button, which this content creator girl that I follow on TikTok, she put her tripod on there, it messes up her phone. So I'm so glad I didn't grab that. And so yeah, but let's get into the, y'all know Apple don't give us no headphones or blocks. So I did buy the block yesterday from Amazon, so it should be here tomorrow. So we got one little Apple sticker, y'all, and it's USB-C. Luckily my iPad is USB-C, so since I don't have that block, I can just like use my iPad charger. But here's what's included. We got our braided USB-C cable, girl. I'm excited, basically. But I actually love this color. Like, this color is different because like now it's the iPhone 14 Plus in the Starlight, so like the white color. And then previous, this is the 13 Pro in silver, so this is kind of new. I actually like this color. It's most definitely giving like aesthetic gray, but then like in certain tones a little silver. But let's set this up. Oh my gosh. Okay, and bestie, new on this phone is it has an action button, which I'm actually very excited to try that out. So let's turn this on. I love setting up iPhones. What is this? This just says through my mobile provider. I'm excited. It says hola. Let's set this up. Okay, bestie, so we're finna set this up. Hope y'all can see this. English, United States. Oh, yeah, I need to get my other phone because I'm actually, so I don't know if I told y'all, besties, but I'm gonna, okay, set up new iPhone. See, look, it already said set up new iPhone for my other phone. Size comparison is really not the big size comparison, bestie. So it says, oh my gosh, I'm actually so excited to be doing this. So I'm excited to try out like USB-C. Oh, it says continue on other phone. I hope y'all can see. Yeah, y'all should be able to set up for me. Enter phone the passcode. Oh yeah, but I can't transfer anything. numbers now. Okay, I thought it was gonna do that thing, but it didn't. But yeah, so I am with Spectrum Mobile now because I wanted. Okay, first I gotta set up Face ID. I use Face ID with mask. I do be wearing a face mask, so. I don't want to transfer nothing. So I like want to transfer anything because this phone is going to be used as my content phone. So the only app on there is going to be TikTok. So I'm actually very excited. So this is going to take a long time. I was just finna eat lunch, bestie, but yeah, so I was just finna to eat lunch. Okay, I do not want to transfer. Yep, don't transfer anything. I don't want to transfer anything, bestie. I want this to be like a brand new phone. Like this is gonna be my main phone, and this is gonna be like my TikTok content phone. So the only app on there, so the only app that's gonna be on here, on this phone. Okay, wow, that was fast. Okay, well. We did it. So yeah, so this number is gonna be like okay, make this your new iPhone. We don't want to transfer anything. Y'all, my phone just cut out and said, oh, you added a new phone. I don't want to update automatically. I really don't like the updates on here, bestie. Okay, so basically, a lot of y'all might know. Not my card. We'll add it later. So a lot of y'all might not know, girl. Like I am like a tech person. Like I love technology, and the only thing different on here is USB-C. This is US, like the Type B cable, and the notches are different. So this notch is actually in the screen. It's not like right there. So actually, so we'll do that later. Share audio recording. Okay, I'm actually excited about the new action button. So I'm gonna keep mine as silent, but like you can choose to do not disturb, camera, flashlight, voice memos, all that. I'm gonna keep mine on silent. So emergency SOS. Okay, welcome to iPhone. So bestie, I need to set my number up. So BRB bestie. Oh, yep, set up cellular. So this is an eSIM. I forgot about that. So bestie, I gotta wait until my mom get home because we did change carriers, girl. So I gotta wait until she get home, girl, to actually like add my number because I did get a new number. But let's see how to set it. So everything. Oh yeah, I don't know if I can download anything yet. Can I? Cause like since my number ain't on here, I don't know if I can download anything yet. Okay, my iCloud is on here. Okay, let's go to I would go, but let's test out the camera on here first. Cause ooh, look at that zoom. Y'all, and I'm going to like a Sexy Red concert. Ooh, that camera is nice. I'm actually kind of glad I got this color, bestie. So while we do that, bestie, oh yeah, I forgot. You got this always on display. Okay, so first impressions, I love the phone. I cannot wait to actually get my new number. But until then, we're going to add my screen protector on here, bestie, because I have not went to like in-store screen protector, girl. So first we're going to turn this off while we actually do this for a second. Okay, slide off. Okay, we're gonna slide it off. So here's the case. So I couldn't find no cute case yet, so I just got this little clear case and this little pop kit thing. Because I don't know if y'all know, but these are taking over the world. Like, look at, I can just boom. And y'all know I'm like a content creator, so I feel like that is gonna be like super cute. And then, of course, I had to get me a privacy screen protector, and I got these little glitter lens protector, girl. So our phone is off, girl. Ooh. Okay, so I saw on TikTok about it overheat, so I'm kind of scared. It didn't overheat like that, but I feel a little overheated. The reason I didn't get like the 16 Pro Max because it had like that little action button, which I feel like that was gonna get annoying. And then it's literally the same, just with a new button, and that's about it. So make my own money don't mean I want to spend it. So let's put my screen protector on first. I got a privacy screen protector, girl. I bought these from like Amazon, and they are so good. So let's first clean the phone first. So my little wet wipe. Besties update. I did end up changing out my screen protector, and I got almost all the air bubbles out, but it looked way better. One thing, if y'all don't have a privacy screen, like for example, y'all can see it, and then like I turn it like that, y'all can't see it, but it's still on. That's why I love a privacy screen protector on, besties. So my mom is on the way home, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when we actually get my new number set up, bestie, because we changed the carriers technically. I have 2 numbers. The reason I wanted 2 numbers, because I could have had just like traded in technically and still kept this phone, but like I wanted another number because like I'm a content creator, and some brands need like your number for some stuff, like brand events and stuff. So I ended up just getting a new phone. So this year I was like, I'm not upgrading no more. Like this used to be my main phone, and now this was, but it wasn't. So I have the 512 gigabytes. I'm excited to download all my apps. Like there was certain apps I had to delete my bank here. I had to delete YouTube off of here. I'm actually excited, girl. I'm the type of person, I keep my iPhone boxes. So here's the iPhone box. So sadly I don't have my iPhone 8 Plus. Like my first iPhone was the iPhone 8 Plus, and then I cracked that, got the iPhone 11 when it first came out, and then I had paid off that phone and got the 13 Pro when it first came out. And then after, I started getting phones after a year later, because they be cheaper. Like last year when the 15 Plus came out, this was cheaper. iPhone 16 Pro Max, this was cheaper. I'm not gonna say how much I fully bought, basically, but I just like want to say thank you again, because like without y'all watching me and supporting my videos, I would not be in this stability to buying this phone. Like this phone is expensive. I bought this fully. I'm excited. I love this box. Like this box screams like a sandy dust color. I'm actually loving this color. Like I'm actually love this color. I love my case, a little clear case. It's kind of look gray on certain tones. It looks silver and gray. Y'all know I'm like I love like pink and white, but I'm like a neutral color gray type of girl. Like my MacBook is like a silverish gray color. So I love these little like glitter things, because my case actually came with screen protectors, but it's not like the privacy one. Basically, I don't know how I feel about this always on display. Like y'all can see, like then it's on, like it's fully on, and like I turn it off, it's not like fully on. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm trying to get the rest of these AirPods out, basically. I'm gonna talk to y'all when my mom is here, basically. So yeah, basically I'm back, girl. I hope y'all can see, because like it is literally pouring down, raining outside. Like our lights just flickered, but turns out I didn't have to use my mom. I had to just set it up myself. So we got my number. I did get a new number, so I've been like setting up everything. But so basically I got everything. I had to reinstall all my apps on here, because this is just 128 gigabytes and this is 512. I gotta into everything, girl. But here's the full thing. Okay, so this is my screen protector, girl, and of course we got my other. So okay, but here is my screen. So I gotta finish signing into everything, basically. But I actually turned, oh, see y'all, it's thundering. But basically I actually turned off, I had to go into my display. I turned off the always on display. For one, it drains your battery, and for two, I don't see like the big difference. Like I don't like, it's kind of there, but I'm not going to like use it. And then once we swipe, so I had to turn that off, bestie. But I got some apps installed. We got my Instagram installed, which our Wi-Fi is currently booting up right now. But here's my, here's my Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram if y'all not. We're at 174,000, which period. And then we got my Snapchat, which hi. But we got like my main apps installed. We got Facebook. I really don't use Facebook, basically. It's just auto post everything. But here's the full tour. I love this wallpaper. So at first I was gonna put like my pink wallpaper back on here, but I've actually loved like this rubber wallpaper, and usually I always change like my wallpaper, but wish I could see like this in person. I love this, basically. Like I love this wallpaper. I love this color. I thought I wasn't gonna like this color, y'all, but I actually do love this color. It's like a aesthetic gray / like silver type of girl. This is like the first phone that his actually is kind of like a dark color, but I love this like wallpaper. They do got my new number on here. I gotta be setting like everything. Oh, I gotta reset my lights up, because like right now my lights is like this dove white color, so that's why I got like my venti light on, because like my lights just look so in, bestie. But yeah, bestie, until next time, bye, bestie.